it's something fresh, something new. Young fit side that I'm looking forward to joining. I'm 30 now, so I get some boys to do a bit of running for me. We'd love to get a bit of silverware. Again, you look at the investment of other clubs, there's a lot of money everywhere else, so we'll be happy playing that underdog tag, but certainly we're looking for top 6. Definitely trying to play a Declan Carroll. He's got fantastic ability, and if he can really push on, I think he could be a very good player for us.
That is everyone's main aim to start the season. Everyone wants to push for that top 6, and last year we were a little bit unlucky towards the end of the split where results didn't go our way, and eventually we did finish in that playoff position, but we want to be competing in that top 6 against the best teams in the league.
I come from Risca United. It's a local team for me, and then basically from scoring a few goals, I think, and knowing a few of the boys at Caerfyrddin, he's ended up contacting me, and this year looking forward to playing as much as possible. Hopefully I can add little bits, maybe get the odd goal, well, more than the odd goal, but Caerfyrddin, we want to be in the top 6, so for me, as a team, we want to work hard, and that's where we want to be, so yeah.